Bearingless encoders from Baumer excel by their wear-free and magnetic scanning principle. The series of bearingless encoders offers a wide variety of sizes and interfaces. Incremental and absolute variants are available in shaft sizes from 5 to 3,183 millimeters. Compared with bearing systems, bearingless encoders are very space-saving due to their small installation depth. In elevator industry, Baumer's bearingless encoders guarantee maximum travel convenience. Due to the high signal quality, they ensure smooth acceleration and slowdown of the cabin. Large hollow shaft diameters allow a direct integration into the motor. As a result, they offer great advantages in tight mounting conditions, for example, in machine roomless elevators. In mobile automation, sensors significantly increase machine efficiency. Bearingless encoders from Baumer are robust and reliable even under the harshest environmental conditions, such as cold, moisture, and dirt. Due to the compactness, they can be integrated directly into existing systems. A costly and unprotected external mounting is therefore needless. In CNC machines, bearingless encoders from Baumer withstand aggressive cooling lubricants and ensure continuous and trouble-free operation. They can be used up to 30,000 RPM and therefore guarantee efficient and fast processing. The additionally high resolution ensures a perfect and consistent surface quality. In textile machines, bearingless encoders by Baumer excel by their compact design. The encapsulated electronics is optimally protected against dust and fibers for maximum machine uptime. Particularly for offshore wind turbines, reliability is the decisive criterion because any downtime entails high costs. The reliable bearingless encoders from Baumer offer consistent high-grade signals, especially at large shaft diameters up to 3.1 meters and at slow speed. The flexible mounting technology makes installation fast and easy. Thanks to their durability and compact design, bearingless encoders from Baumer are the ideal choice for a broad field of applications.